Assalamu alaikum, dear students, dear friend, and dear all kind of people. How are you? Hope all are well by the grace of Allah. In the situation of COVID 19, I am also well. So, okay, students, friends, and all kinds of people. Everyone wants to live in this beautiful world, but the epidemic virus has paralyzed the world today. So, I want to say about coronavirus. What to do at home to prevent corona? Everyone is now being told to stay at home as much as possible to prevent the spread of coronavirus. The children are also under house arrest as the school is closed. But is the house being located risk free? In this case, the house can be kept risk free if the hygiene rules are followed. What to do at home to prevent corona? Home cleaning and disinfection. Everyone at home should get in the habit of washing their hands regularly every time before and after cooking or preparing food, before and after eating food, before and after using the bathroom. Hands should be washed with soap and water. Immediately after returning home from outside, use hand wash if soap water is not available immediately. In addition, door handles, knobs, telephones, remotes, switches, and other items that are used repeatedly, they need to be disinfected regularly. There are two steps to keeping their floor and other floor of the house clean. One is cleaning, the other is disinfecting. First, the floor should be cleaned with water, detergent or floor cleaner. Then disinfect with disinfectant. Bleach or mixture of 70% alcohol is effective as disinfectant. To make bleach mixture at home, you need to mix 5 tablespoons of bleach in 1 gallon of water. Clean the floor of the kitchen, bathroom and other rooms such as dishwasher, staircases, floors, table, kitchen, cabinet top, sink area, etc. several times a day. Be sure to wear gloves before cleaning. So, dear students, friends, and all kind of people, be sure to wear gloves before cleaning, and at the end of the work, throw it away and wash your hands. Carpets, mats, etc. can be cleaned with disinfectant spray. Place a tissue or kitchen roll in each room of the house so that the tissue can be found by extending the hand while coughing or sneezing. It is better if the tissue or garbage disposal container is covered. Wrap the raw fish meat washed in polythene bag and put it in the bin. Then you must rub your hands with soap and clean. Wash the boards, knives and utensils used for cooking and cutting well with soap, which should be done from the outside back. I have to go out for various activities. Apart from that, there are people outside the house and domestic workers. Hands should be washed with soap and water before touching any object from outside. Quickly change clothes after going out. Refrain from shaking hands with guests. Wash your hands after taking any outside parcel, packet, or anything else. Hand washing can be done with soap and water at the entrance. When any when and why to use a mask. If you are healthy, you only need to wear a mask when caring for a person who is infected or suspected of having coronavirus. If you have sneeze or cough, use a mask. Use a mask. Use a mask. Use a mask. You only need to wear a mask when caring for a person who is infected who are suspected of having coronavirus. If you have sneeze or cough, use a mask so that if you have coronavirus in your body, it does not spread to others. Masks are only effective when you wash your hands frequently with an alcohol-based hand rub. Similar product on the market or soap water. How to use? How to use mask? How to use mask? Clean hands at least 20 seconds with soap and water or with hand rub before wearing the mask. Do not hold the front. Do not hold the front. Do not hold the front of the mask then wearing. Cover the nose and face mask and remember that there should be no gaps between the face and the mask. Refrain from touching the mask while using, and if you touch it, clean your hands at least 20 seconds with soap and water or with hand rub. Replace the used mask as soon as it feels wet or damp. Don't use disposable masks repeatedly. Do not touch the front of the mask when removing it. As soon as the mask is removed, put it in the lid. Clean your hands after removing the mask. Recently, the people of Sikbonj Upazila have started getting infected with the epidemic virus. So be careful and stay at home. Stay healthy. I wish this as if we can return our beautiful world. Thank you very much. See you again.